I always say that mindset is very important. If you think it is, then it is. And if you don't think, doesn't matter mindset, fuck, fuck your mindset. This mindset is totally bad. That mindset doesn't matter. Your mindset is bad. And you are saying mindset doesn't matter, but you have a mindset that's saying mindset doesn't matter. Like a desire. You are saying I don't have desire, but you have a desire to not having a desire. Same like here. So, mindset is very important. If you think it is, then that's mean you are a person who understand human brain. You know, you can do lots of stuff, but if you don't change your mindset, you will never do anything in your life. You are saying your mindset saying, I need confidence, and in order to get confidence, I have some proof, but I don't have proof, so I can't get confident. Can't be a confident guy. So this mindset is totally bullshit. I don't believe in proof and fuck this thing. Like you have a proof to speak confident. What the fuck? If I have to speak, then I have to. Take an example. Like your father get heart attack and you have no confidence to speak front of lots of people or only one person, then what will you do? Do you think about confidence? Fuck this thing. Confidence thing. Your only purpose is to save my father. That is right thing that you are not thinking about confidence stuff thing. That these things are totally bullshit. When it's about to something, you will never ever think about these things. Take an example like, as I said earlier, your father get heart attack and you go to hospital and you will scream out and you will say very loud, take my father in hospital. I will burn all the hospital. I will make fire. Are you getting my point? At that point of time, you become very extrovert. And if you're saying, I'm not a guy who anger, I'm not a guy who have this and that, at that point of time, you become. This mindset, you have to understand. Are you getting my point? So mindset is very important. Whatever you think about something, that's matter a lot. There is lots of point of view, POV. So understand what POV you should follow. You should follow those POV which suggest you have always question in everything. You don't need to believe anything. You believe in one thing that you don't need to believe anything. Got it? That type of mindset you need. Don't manipulate it by anybody. Use your brain. Why does God give you this amazing brain to think? And if you don't think, if you don't question, you stop questioning because someone said to you, what the fuck, you are asking so much questions. Don't do that. Question on everywhere. If any authorities don't allow you to question them, say loud. What will happen? What will? You will die? Then what? This life is totally bullshit. And if you think, no bro, it is so crazy, then think about those child who have no food, no parents. They are eating garbage. If you are saying life is beautiful, that means this is a truth. And truth means to same for everybody. But it isn't. You are saying 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. But I am saying lots of people are saying 2 plus 2 equal to 2. 2 plus 2 equal to 5. What the hell? Why all people are not saying 4? Because life is not same. Life is totally different. So you have no anything to say. You no have any right to say life is very beautiful. This mindset, forget it. Yes, it is, but you have to make it. So it is all about mindset. If you change your mindset, you will become something. If you change your mindset about consistency, if you change your mindset about discipline, if you change about change, just change your mindset. Always question on everywhere. Don't just, okay, I understand. Don't say that. If you understand, then make me understood. I didn't understand. What did you understand? Are you getting my point? As simple as that. It is all about my mindset, bro. Mindset is very important. If you think you need confidence, fuck this thing. Lots of people are saying, like Alex Hormozy says, that if you don't have confidence, you have to build a proof. But I don't agree on that. If I don't have confidence, fuck it. I don't need confidence. Confidence is my servant, like dog. I will say to come here, he will come to me. What the fuck? Confidence. They are talking about discipline. You don't need to be disciplined. You have to make system which make you disciplined. You can't be disciplined. Take an example, like in my 9th class, I was attending school every day. Every day means every day. 100% I got a certificate. But why? Why I was so disciplined, consistent? Because of system. It build a system like you go and you will study. Go, you will study. Go, you will study. As simple as that. Are you getting my point, my baby? Are you getting my point? So build system. If you didn't understand, I give you example. What you can do. If you are saying, bro, I really want to study, you have to make system. How can you make a system? Whenever you come to home, you are going anywhere, just go. When it's come to study, say to your mother, when it's time to study, take my phone, slap every day if I don't study. Slap me so hard, badly, and say to me, you have to. That is system. That your mother will be a reminder to study. And if you don't study, she slap. Then you will study. Yes, it is so difficult, but you have to build it. Otherwise, you can't, because you are I can't say anything here. Clumsy, silly, I don't know what the fuck you are. You are committing to yourself lots of things, lots of promises, but you never fulfill those promises. Then I don't believe in you. Say to your mother will help you. It is, bro, all about mindset. If you got a mindset which make you successful, you will. If you already think in your mind that I will become successful no matter what, nobody can stop me. Here is nobody. Nobody's beat me. No one is. I'm not here to compete. There is no competitor for me. That is truth. That type of mentality you need, my friend. Got it? I know you would say, bro, you are so egoist. Then what the fuck? I don't care. If I am, then what I am. I'm nothing, just a cell. Just conscious. What the fuck? I'm not going there. Got it? Take your ego so high. Take an example like Ravan. He never accept defeat. He said, I would rather die to accept a defeat. Become like a Ravan. I know it is so controversial, but you have to. In this world, no one is Ravan or Ram. But you have to become Ravan, not Ram.